Have you tried blocking someone on Instagram only to realize they've already blocked you? In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to block someone who has already blocked you on Instagram. When someone blocks you, they can still see your profile and you might still be exposed to their activity. Whether it's for privacy, safety, or peace of mind, knowing how to block someone who's blocked you can help you regain control over your Instagram experience. We'll start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device, and then make sure you're logged into the correct Instagram account. I'm already logged in, and the first step we'll take is to find any Instagram post or reel, whether it's from another user or one of your own posts or reels. We need access to the comments section, so I'll click on the little comment icon here, and that will take me to this page. In order to block the person who's already blocked us, we can't get to their profile using the search bar, the following list, or any other traditional method. But we can do it by mentioning that person in the comments section. So, the person who blocked me has the username @MarshallJohnson028, and that's what I'll type in the comment. Make sure you use the @ sign since this is a username which we are typing. After you mention the person, tap the blue arrow on the right side to send the comment. Their name will turn blue, which means you can click on it once to open their profile. By using this trick, I was able to get to this person's profile, despite the fact that they've blocked me. All that's left now is to simply tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, which will open this menu. I'll select the block option, like I normally would, and you'll see a message explaining what blocking does. Just tap block, and that's it. We've successfully blocked this person, even though they blocked us first. Let me know in the comments if this trick worked for you, and if it did, leave a like on this video because it would really help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.